What's going on, YouTube? Ty with xking.com hit you with another lawn care video. I shot one video of another product. I used this before, the cutter. I used the, well, let's start from the beginning. This stuff here works, okay? Last year, I was getting eat up by mosquitoes. I'm talking about if I go outside to get out of my truck, my car, I'm getting ate up. I mean, ate up. Last year, me and my wife putting my son's car seat in for the first time, and I was getting destroyed. There was like 4 mosquitoes inside the car while we were trying to fix it. But now, since using this the first time, I've seen a big decrease in mosquitoes. I'm talking about not even half, maybe I'll say 80% decrease in mosquitoes. So this is my backyard here. Now again, there's houses and stuff behind me, houses beside me, so it's not gonna be 100%. You know, it's not gonna be 100%. But if I can decrease the numbers, it works. Okay, so this stuff supposed to work 12 weeks. I applied this today just now. I sprayed everything on the shrubs here. I sprayed my shed. I sprayed all of my houses right there. I sprayed those bushes, the street. I spray everything. I spray everything. So this is what I do. And I seen a big dramatic decrease with this stuff here in the last 12 weeks. Supposed to last all summer. You know, you can trust that or not. I try to apply this every time I cut the grass, I apply it, or once a month. This stuff's like $9 on Amazon, really cheap. I bought the dual pack for $18. I use both bottles today, one for the back and one for the front. Now, quick note, if you hook to your water hose in here, and you cut this off and on to spray. If you have the hose on full blast, you'll go through this chemical faster, okay? So the first time I used this, I had the hose halfway, half blast, and the bottle lasted me. I did the front and the back twice. If I had the hose on full blast, half the bottle did all this here, okay? All this here did half the bottle. The whole bottle. I had the hose on full blast. So if you have a big size yard, you might want to do cut your hose on half versus all the way full blast. It'll go a little longer. But when I had the hose on half blast last time, I got bitten 2 times since I applied this stuff. So that could be anything. That could be because I had it on full blast, and to get, I didn't use 2 bottles. I used 1 bottle last time. It could be the mosquito came from the neighbor's yard. Who knows? I live around a community, so that could come from anywhere. But I have seen a big decrease in mosquitoes. If you're having a cookout, if you're tired of getting bitten by mosquitoes, you want a big decrease. This stuff here is $9. You can do this once a month. You can do this twice a month. $18 for peace of mind, knowing that you won't get bitten. It's way better. They can start scratching and stuff like that. So this is my review of the cutter backyard control. Now I've also used the lawn killer control as well to kill insects, and that supposed to last 4 weeks. So I used this first, then I'll have a video for that. Excuse me, right, my face hot. I got a video for that, and that lasts 4 weeks. I did pretty well as well. But this stuff is a little cheaper. Amazon, $9. If you want to pick this up, try it for yourself. I have a link below the video. It's an affiliate link, so I do get kickback, but no cost to you. So this stuff works. In my backyard was infested with mosquitoes. I couldn't come back here. I'll cut the grass, I'll get bitten. I have to wear long sleeve shirts and pants, and I'll get bitten through those. Yeah, this stuff works pretty well. I recommend it. Like I say, you do it once a month. You can do it. I do this every time I cut the grass. I apply this stuff, or I apply it twice a month. Would be good for me. I don't mind spending money if I have peace of mind and get bitten by mosquitoes all year long. And then mosquitoes bite my son and my wife, so I'd rather pay this little bit of money, have peace of mind, knowing that I can apply this once a month and be good. Now, it said it lasts 12 weeks. I don't know. I apply on top of it, but $9 it kills fleas and ants. So I seen a big decrease in ants as well when I started using it. And that's not kill all the ants, but it's gonna decrease it. Okay, so the mosquitoes, I got bitten twice so far. This is what, June 28th, 29th. No, it's the 30th of June. So I've been using this since May, June. So I'm using it a couple months now. I've seen a big decrease in mosquitoes. So thanks for watching my video. Pick this up, use it on your yard. Comment below if you use it, if it works for you. And this mixed with water, so don't pour this in the bottle. Don't use this inside the home. Use this outside the home with water. Thanks for watching my video.